guys, what is up? It's your girl Samira. In this video, guys, I am definitely going to show you guys how to create your demo and your real account with Quotex so you can get started with your HFX trading, okay? If you haven't already, guys, you guys already know what to do. You have to either like, comment, or subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, F-R-E-E. And if you haven't already, go ahead and go follow me on all of my social medias, as well as my second YouTube channel at SNL Investment University, as well as all of my other platforms such as TikTok and Instagram at Samira Chinye and at Pip Talk Planner. But let's get into this video.
What's up? Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up. She said, show me some affection.
All right, everyone. So if you haven't already, go ahead and go onto Quotex.com. It will be Quotex.com, and it should put you onto this platform here. So guys, this is the platform used to trade binary options / HFX, okay? This is not to be used for Forex, okay? The terminology factor is completely different from Forex. You're not doing a buy or a sell. You're going to be doing a call or a put. But it is the same terminology as in going in for a buy and going in for a sell. But specifically for this video, we are creating our demo as well as our real account, just so you guys can get started. So whenever I get these series going out on how to trade within the HFX market, you are able to make money in both markets, not just in the Forex market, but also in the binary options, okay? Just before we get into it, guys, if I say HFX, I'm meaning binary options. Binary options and HFX is basically interchangeable, so do not get confused, okay? So if I say one or the other, I'm saying the same thing, all right? So first thing first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna sign up and we're gonna create an account, okay? So of course, I'm going to put in my email and I'm going to create a passcode. All right. Of course, depending on whatever currency you're dealing with, that's what you're going to be using. Of course, I'm in the States, so I'll be using USD. Okay. And you have to confirm that you are 18 years old or older. All right. So first thing first, we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a demo account. Okay, so as I stated to you guys before, it's going to tell you demo account. Okay, so this is $10,000, right? Now you also have your live account. Okay, so your demo account, we can go ahead and edit. And just to be realistic, guys, I feel that everyone should be able to have at least $500 to $1,000. So let's go ahead and do $500. All right. That's going to be our new value, okay? So our demo account has $500, okay? So this is our demo. Now, just for purposey reasons or things like that, just to see how to get into a trade, let's say we're in a trade. So this right here that I'm circling, okay? This is going over AUD JPY, okay? And it's telling us that we have an 88%. Okay, so we're going to basically get 88%. Our payout is going to be 88. Okay, so if we are going to invest $1, we're actually, if we win the trade, we're actually going to get $1.88. Okay, now let's say you want to invest $20. So you'll be getting 88% of that $20 that you invested. Therefore, your payouts, if you win, will be $37.60, okay? This is going to be your time, okay? So you can always increase your time or you can always lower your time. So the most time that you can have at minimum is going to be a minute flat. So if you're trying to basically get other pairs, you will press this plus sign here. All right? This plus sign is going to show you all the different trade opportunities and pairs that you can go for, okay? And simply, this right here is just letting you know that this is going to be the trade out payout, okay, percentage, all right? And so right now, it's really doing good. So like, let me press AUD CAD, all right? AUD CAD, 88%. Tonight is definitely a good night to get in, simply because it's 88%. let's say we go in, we're looking at our cryptocurrency, okay? So cryptocurrency, we have our Bitcoin and ETH, okay? Now the revenue from it is not as high compared to our normal Forex trading pairs, okay? So with that being said, whenever I'm trading our binary options, I am always going to be looking for revenue that is at least 70% or higher, okay? Again, 70% or higher, okay? Nothing less, but we can do more, okay? So if I see that crypto is less than 70%, I'm not about to be looking at this, because why? It's a waste of my time. Simply because if I was to press this, right? Look at the payout. I invest $20 and I will only be getting $5 because I'll be getting back my investment plus $5. That's just a waste of time. Why mess with Bitcoin when I can go ahead and mess with AUD CAD and I can gain an additional $17, right? Okay, so that's what I say. That is my strategy with binary options and as well as HFX, all right? So binary options, if my percentage is not above 70%, I am not getting in, okay? So again, guys, this is strictly on how to create your account. I will go more in depth on our HFX Wednesdays on how to get into a trade and how to basically start making profits from your trade, okay? But this is specifically getting familiar with the platform itself, okay? So there you go for the demo, right? And so you have all your different sides. You have your analytics on here, okay? So your analytics, so this is a demo account, right? It's gonna tell you the amount of trades that you have done, the amount of trades that you have profit, and then your profitable trades. And this is something that is very helpful for myself because guys, you want to be able to track your performance, okay? So you can see if you're getting better or if you're just getting worse. Because if you're getting worse on your real account, it's time to get into your demo account and practice until you're consistently profitable. As you guys can see, I have not been trading at all. This is my first time creating this account simply because this is for purposes for you guys to get familiar with this platform. So this is all your statistics. It's going to let you know everything that's going on with your account and what your performance is, okay? Then you also have the market, okay? So the market is pretty interesting. It's going to let you know all the different opportunities that is available within the market. So if you have a risk-free cash back, deposit bonus, as well as percentage of turnover, balance bonus, or just canceling points altogether, it's gonna show up here. Now, you may have a code, okay? So risk-free, you can get a $3 free, right? It's gonna tell you enter the promo code. Quotex is saying every day we do our best to make the platform faster and more comfortable to use. Do you like it so far? Spread a word. So if you write a review about Quotex anywhere on the internet and get a free promo code to cancel any $3 loss trade, okay? You send the link to their customer service center and just wait for them to check it and you'll be rewarded with a promo code. So they have different codes, which I like. So who wants to basically get free $3? You know, if you did lose $3, you're able to make your $3 back by just creating something simple as a review on Quotex anywhere on the internet and screenshot it and send it to their customer service. And then they'll send you the code. Once they send you the code, then you'll be able to turn it in and then it will be activated. And then this is all of basically your transactions and your history, okay? So always check your market. I wouldn't say daily, but I would just say, you know, frequently, just so you don't miss up on any of the opportunities, because why not get free money when you can, okay? Just by doing the simplest things. And we're actually going to create a live account. So we're gonna go into our live account right here. And just to let you guys know, this is going to say, anytime it says trade, this is our live account. And anytime it says demo, it's gonna go into our demo account, okay? So demo is just like, you know, your graduation, and then this trade with the marks is going to be trade, right? And then also, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys have any questions or any concerns with the platform altogether, you can go ahead and go to your help, which is going to be the question mark inside. You can look at their frequently asked questions, and that's going to open up all those different questions that you may have in your mind that's already been answered, or you can simply submit a ticket and just talk to the customer service from there. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make a deposit. We're going to press deposit. And what I like about Quotex itself is that you have so many different options. So first things first, we're going to use Bitcoin because Bitcoin is on Cash App, right? So just for my purposes, I'm going to start off with $150, right? I'm going to do $150. The minimum amount of Bitcoins that you can send over is 100. So remember that. Please understand that the minimum amount for Bitcoin is $100. You have to have a minimum of $100 sent over. Okay. That's just for Bitcoin, guys. Okay. Now let's say you go back, okay, and you are using Dogecoin. Okay, so Dogecoin, you have a minimum amount of $10. So I know you guys are seeing like, oh, Samara, hey, minimum deposit amount is $10, minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Yes, I see that too, but you have to pick and choose what you're willing to do. So with Bitcoin, I'm willing to put in $100. That's a minimum, right? As you can see, Dogecoin or Dogecoin said $10. Let's see Coinbase. Coinbase says $10. So if you have a Coinbase account, go ahead and go use that platform so you're able to deposit your money. I'm personally going to be using my Bitcoin and we'll go from there. I use my Bitcoin from Cash App. But for Coinbase, you can go down below in my description box to create your Coinbase if you haven't already, or you can just use the method that I am using. But I just want to let you guys know that there is opportunities to minimally deposit $10, okay? So I'm gonna go back to my Bitcoin, all right? I am going to do 150. I'm not doing bonuses simply because when it comes to bonuses, guys, bonuses can either eat you up or bonuses can be something that's good for you in the long term. If you are a beginner trader, I do not suggest you doing bonuses simply because with bonuses, even though you're getting additional money, you have to necessarily trade a certain amount of trades in order to withdraw your money back, okay? So just by what I said, it's nice that you're putting in money and that you're able to get a bonus, but a lot of brokers require you to go and trade a lot of trades in order to make that money back, right? In order to even withdraw, okay? So I try to stay away from bonuses simply because if I do want to take my money out, I'm able to take out my money instead of being forced to trade. So keep that in mind, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and press deposit. And right here, it's giving me a whole hour, which is awesome. I mean, they're giving me a whole hour just to get my money and things together with that, right? So it's telling you pay with Coinbase or select a cryptocurrency to pay with another wallet. So I'm going to do Bitcoin, okay? I'm going to actually go to my account, okay? Hey, I am on my Cash App, right? Okay, I'm going to my Bitcoin, which is down here at the far bottom right. And this is my Bitcoin, correct? What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to send, okay? I'm going to send Bitcoin, okay? So it tells us the total amount, okay? So we're going to actually copy just that. So 0.00362203, right? That's what we're doing. So exactly the amount that is placed here on Quotex is what we're going to put here, okay? Then it says to copy it. Guys, this is like the simplest thing that I always do. I'm actually going to copy here and I'm going to send it over to my phone, all right? It's going to pop up on my phone. I'm going to send it here. I'm actually going to put the Bitcoin address. So I'm going to go to my phone. I'm going to copy and paste it just like this, guys. Uh-oh. All right. Just like that. I'm going to press external wallet address, right? I'm going to press next. Okay. confirm your cash pin. So whatever cash pin you got. Okay, so with Cash App, they do like a withdrawal fee or whatever the case may be. I'm gonna do priority simply because I don't have time to wait 2 hours or 24 hours. And this is what we're gonna do, confirm and send, okay? So it should be done. So this says within 10 minutes, right? So here we go, guys. So payment has been sent. It says your payment is being processed. Please, I'm sorry, y'all, please reload the page in a few minutes. See, I like stuff like that. I feel like that's more organized because, like I stated before, some brokers will not give you all of that communication factor, okay? And just to go over the many different options that they have a withdrawal option. Of course, you want to be able to take out your money. Process, it's going to take 3 business days, okay? So FYI, when you want to take out money, it's going to be processed in 3 business days, okay? So place that in your mind already. Of course, what I like already here is that it's going to tell you your latest request down here, waiting confirmation, Bitcoin, and then the amount that I put in, correct? Then, of course, they have their transactions, okay? So this is my transaction that I am waiting to be confirmed and approved. All right, so our money is now in our account. It took maybe 30 minutes to be approved, but we have $150 into our account. All right, guys, so I hope that this video was very informative, and I hope you guys are super duper ready and excited to get this HFX trading going and the series going all this year of 2022. Okay, this is definitely going to be an exciting year, so buckle up and get your seatbelts on because this is definitely about to be a ride. Not only are you guys going to understand and learn about Forex, but you're actually going to be able to implement your skill set from Forex into HFX, so you cannot just make only one income but also make an additional income, because that's all this is about. All of this is about is to continue to make multiple streams of income, not just one, not just two, but multiple. All right, peace.